In a forgotten garden, far from the noise of the world, lived a little white puppy named Nora. She had the softest fur, the brightest eyes, and a heart full of dreams. Nora spent her days gazing at the sky, paws clasped together, wishing for a friend. Every day she sat beneath the old apple tree, hoping someone would come. Across the garden, hidden beneath the roots of a giant oak, lived a tiny cat named JJ. Fluffy and clever, JJ wore a torn blue denim overall and spent hours trying to fix an old broken phone, the only thing left from a past she couldn't forget. One morning, a red apple glistened at the top of the tree. Nora stared at it with wonder, but it was far beyond her reach. She clasped her paws and whispered a silent wish. JJ, hearing the soft rustle of leaves and the silent hope in the wind, peeked out. She saw the little puppy beneath the tree, eyes full of longing. Without a word, JJ walked over with her wobbly wooden ladder, balancing her screwdriver in one paw. She climbed carefully, step by step. The puppy held her breath. At the top, JJ reached the apple and plucked it gently, but as she turned back, crack! The ladder snapped and she tumbled to the ground. The phone slid from her pocket and shattered again. Nora ran to her side, worried eyes wide. She picked up the broken phone with her soft little paws and handed it back, her expression full of hope. She sat down, praying again silently. Suddenly, a flicker of light. The screen glowed. A photo appeared. JJ and a young puppy long ago smiling under the same tree. JJ's eyes filled with tears, not from sadness, but from something returning. Connection, memory, a friend. Without a word, she sat beside Nora. They split the apple in half, chewed quietly, watched the clouds. In that quiet moment, two lonely hearts became one.